Okay, so I was in the middle of working on something and wanted to go through it with you, um, whoever you are. So let's take a look. I got a couple of stocks here, and this is right now Facebook and GE. And what this number represents is the number of days that are um, in the window. So it's a 38-day window. And so every time it finds a pattern, it's basically 38-day it's running. And so, then it's 1 through 39, 1 through 40. Okay, 40, there's a pattern. And so what this does is it shows you the actual 38-day window, and then you have all these inflection points here. And then you've got a pattern. And this one's kind of hard to see, but you do have a pattern there. And then you can just get right on where that pattern is. So this is like really early work when I was working on my dissertation, and I want to see if you can take this particular thing, like the image where there's a pattern, and then train AI who doesn't know the rules to make a pattern but just have the image. Can I make a program, and then set it to the width of this box and say, here, find a pattern in this image involving the most recent price. And so hopefully if it did it right, it would put this pattern on here. And I think the way to do that is to train just this small image, which is just the pattern, but maybe scale it to the dimensions that, would be this image, or have it be like irrespective of the dimensions. And then you could scale it up and down and on different time frames and everything.